Hey, what's up guys, it's Royal, and here in this video, I'm gonna show you over 20 different exercises for you to use for your abs with the sliders. Here we go. Are you ready? I know you're ready. All right, here we go. I'm gonna be showing you over 20 different exercises for you to use with the sliders. All of these exercises are gonna be core based. Some of these exercises I'm gonna have you on your back. Some of them you're gonna be on your side. Some of them you're gonna be face down. All geared towards helping you shred up your abs and work on your core muscles. Thank you guys for watching this video. That was over 20 different exercises, all for your abs using the sliders. Down in the description below, I'm gonna have free ebooks for all of you guys. So all you gotta do is click those links down below and you're gonna be able to download some of my free ebooks. Isn't that a great deal? Free exercises and free ebooks for the sliders? Simple. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.